I don't know that I know I played it on the Commodore. I don't know that I ever played it on this. You know, the cool thing about games for me, look at this, cracked by, this is like an advertisement. Look at all the logos on here. Brought to you by, cracked by the 1200 Club. And that's cool that they're just, would name themselves out of their hardware. Like, we're the 5 1/4 inch gang. We heard you're in the 1200 Club. One player. Joystick. Keyboard requires capital letters. That's how interesting is that? I guess that would be if you loaded this on in lowercase mode or something. That's weird. All right, get ready. All right, where am I? I'm over here. Okay, I think to go that way to jump. Oh, I jumped that way. All right, let's try this again. Am I supposed to be doing diagonal? Yeah, I am supposed to be doing diagonal. All right, so it's not. It's very hard to control. All right, watch out for that coconut there, Larry. Uh-oh. I got bongoed in the Congo. All right, let's try that. Oh, I gotta start down here again. All right, well, it makes more sense now that I know it. Oh, watch out for that coconut. I was standing out of the way. I was supposed to go flying by. All right, now let's try this again. Now we got it. Now we're cooking with grease here. You know, this sounds like a cop-out, and I don't mean it to sound like a cop-out, but people, you know, a lot of times when they look at these old games, and not just, you know, for this, for any old system, they say like, oh, these games stink, you know. But the thing was, like, you know, oh, watch out. Oh. You know, in 1983, when this came out, I was 10 years old, and the closest arcade to me was 10 miles away. And I wasn't going to ride my... Oh, that is a hard jump. I wasn't going to ride my bike 10 miles, you know, and so if your mom wasn't going to take you. So this is what you had, you know, and especially if you were a dirty, dirty pirate like I was, you know, I'm sure I got this for free. You know, I'm sure I downloaded this and had it on some disc and played it. And so I'm sure I thought it was great, you know. All right, so let's see what we do here. Let's try to make this. There we go. All right, now let's watch out for monkeys here. And where do I gotta cross over? Up there, I gotta jump over that water up there, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Those monkeys to get on the back side over there. All right. Watch out for coconuts. Oh, that seems like a good jump. Yeah, that was kind of how it all worked. That's how it worked, right? All right. Okay, let's get over there. Watch out for that coconut. Come on, out of the way. We're gonna beat this level. All right. Wait for the monkeys to go to the back there. Yeah, this game certainly would have been easier if they had mapped the the joystick to up, down, left, right instead of diagonals on this joystick. Come on, get up there. Look at that. All right. There's zero chance I'm going to be able to do this with this joystick configuration. Let's try it. I like that little bird up there. Kind of cool. All right, where am I? Right in the water, right? And that was my last man. All right, bye-bye, Congo Bongo. That was kind of fun. And, you know, it works good. That game actually works good with that color palette. I mean, it's a limited color palette, but, you know, what do you need? You need water, you need dirt,